So we're gonna do, as you can see, a shadow box inspired by a card that I made. So this is Beauty and the Beast inspired. The rose from Beauty and the Beast. That was my idea for it. So we're gonna try to remake this, but we're gonna make it into a shadow box. All right? We're gonna make about 2 different panels because I wanna see how the panels come out with color-wise, mixing color-wise. So one may have more purple or one may have more pink. So we'll see, but we're gonna make 3 different ones and then I'll let you guys choose which one you think is best. All right, so we're going to use creamy violet, fuchsia, creamy red, blue violet, blue green, and I'm not sure if it's gonna be the pearl aqua pigment or if I'm gonna do the shimmer mist. We'll see. Let's start off. Ooh, sorry about that. That was loud. Let's start off with some blue green, and you don't have to, there's no like rhyme or rhythm to it. You just place them. And since we're using a huge sheet of paper, we have ultimate amount of space. Blue violet. And, ooh, all right. So we're gonna do the creamy. And I'm not letting the creamy red touch anything because the creamy purple I'm actually gonna put on top, because just to give that blue violet a nice little shine. Like, I love the shine that the creamy has. So I'm gonna aim this one for my blue violets to kind of give it a drop in each. Oh, I put too much there. Alrighty. Then we're gonna finish it all off with fuchsia, and fuchsia can go everywhere. So first we're going to now add a little water so it could help move it. Okay, maybe a lot of water. And this is the thing I like. I want to show you guys how I do this. I drop it down. But this is the wonderful secret. Ooh, I got it in my hand. Watch this. Peeling it from a corner. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? All right. Go ahead and put this down. And bam. All right. Let's go ahead and pull out. This is my little case I keep. It makes it life easier. Because I just like, oh, my blendings, everything's right here that I need it. All right, so this is the Raven Detail ink from Brutus Monroe. And we're just gonna do some pouncing. I can't wait for my re-inker to come because I've used this ink so much. It's not as juicy. I mean, I used it for everything. I love how dark it is. Haha! Perfect! Alrighty. Isn't that cute? It colors it in for you pretty much. And then we'll have like that little outline in the outside. Come on. Come on. Tell me that is not cute. With that glitter. And since we're doing a Beauty and the Beast, I wanted it to have as much shimmer and shine to it as possible. All right. So let's go ahead and die cut it. I'm not gonna die cut it on camera this time. Isn't that beautiful? and it cut perfectly. All right, first thing first, we're gonna pop that up. And I'm also going to be using broken glass. However, it is glass that I actually broke in a bag. Let's put it right about there. Okay, that looks good. All right, so let's go ahead, grab the Stay Rooted. Looks like I had some already. So look at that. I told you, I did try to prepare for this live this time. And I already had some, so perfect. We're gonna use that. Now, stencil. We're going to go for the Field Flower Mixed Media stencil. And we're going to use glitter glaze. So what I like to do is I will take my glitter glaze and I'll take a chunk of it, or as much as I think I'm gonna use, and if I don't, I save it. I seal it and save it. I'll take a little bit of that out. And then I am going to put my mica powder. I'm gonna put a little bit of it so that I don't have to use the ink, because I want that purple to shine. That should be enough. And look, see how it looks? I don't know if I can, oh, there we go. So it's the same color, it just helps to make it a lot more visible. That's all. A little more. Try to get that in. Okay. And what I like about this technique and this stencil is that the color in the background is actually going to be the colors of those flowers. And we're technically decorating the background of the flower. So it allows you to let your colors shine. This is going to float over that, okay? And then we need to place these. So we're gonna go ahead, I'm gonna place this on one side. Down, and then I'm just gonna put a little bit of glue in the areas because I want to overlap it and give it like a full look. Here's the other side. See that? So when we put it together in our shadow box, this part's gonna be the part that's elevated, so you'll see it like that. I'm gonna show you what I'm thinking. So I'm thinking of cutting it out, like that, the dome piece out the middle, right? And then on the outside, I'm actually going to put some adhesive tape and we're gonna pour glitter on it and get it to stick to give it a nice shine. Glossy accents have a really good grip on things, so I like it. So, and I can have more wiggle room, so I'm not mad. Everything happens for a reason, right? That's what they say. So I'm gonna just put it down. I'm gonna place this back where it's going to be so that I can position this appropriately. This part's gonna hang out, so we're gonna leave that alone. But here, and then let's go ahead and tape that down. All right, and then I'm gonna go up here. Make sure you guys could see what I'm doing. I said I want it to shine, and I want it to kind of give it like that enchanting look. Okay, there's no way I'm gonna use all of it. So we're gonna cut it. And this is okay to cut. The wire. There you go. It's like a enchanted little dome. I want to measure the size. I want to see how big it is. So let's go ahead. I'm going to run this through my die cutting machine. All right, let's bring the lights back. This side here, make sure it's good. But I need to cut this paper a whole lot better. It is not a perfect square. I need it to be a perfect square. Hold down, slice. Line up, next part. That looks so much better. All right. Oh, I gotta hurry up because I gotta go meet my daughter for lunch today. So let's do this. We're going, and as per those little spots right there, we're gonna remove that. X-Acto knife. Put this in, and I'm just gonna go right up to the line. All right. I'm gonna do gold. I know that's like out there, but I'm gonna do gold. Let's go ahead. We are almost done, guys, almost done. But if you wanna see how it came out with the sentiment and everything, just keep a lookout on my Facebook or on the Brutus Monroe fan page. See, this is when I need it. Bring it out. Because I almost did it again. So we're just gonna sprinkle, turn, sprinkle, turn. Okay, so the little areas that are missing some, right? What we're gonna do, push it all along there. I'm gonna color it with, I feel like it needs a lot more pink. Let's go ahead and make it pink. And I think the pink will also help. It's gonna help with, well, fuchsia, sorry. It's gonna help to kind of give it that little glow, that enchanted glow of a enchanted rose. I'm gonna use my glossy accent, pucker hole back in it, and I'm gonna line the bottom, line the top, and a little bit on it so it can kind of help give it that glare. All right, we're just gonna sprinkle this on the glossy accent. And that's gonna give a mirror. And we're gonna add just a little bit of shimmer mist. And I think that's good. That's good. Oh, I love it. All right, so that part's done. Now let's put the box in the box. It's so tight to take out. All right, so we got that part in. I thought I was gonna ink it, but I'm not. I'm not gonna ink around it. I kind of like it the way it is. So let's go ahead, let's turn it around. Try to get one corner carefully. Okay, now we're gonna put it together. Oh, I love how the background works with the front panel. Now, ready? Ready to see it? See how it glows? It kind of looks like that Beauty and the Beast floral look. Alrighty. Well, I'm gonna end this chat, this stream now, because I'm already at 2 hours and 4 minutes. So I don't want to keep you guys. I appreciate you, Bonnie, Ruth, and Angel. I think Kimberly was here earlier. Everyone that showed up, thank you so much. I have to run to my daughter's school now. But I will definitely take pictures and I will have this up. But thank you for being with me. I will see you guys. Don't forget, you matter and you are beautiful. You guys have a good day.